आज हम यहाँ से कैलगरी से तकरीबन ये यहाँ से अभी निकलने लगे। अभी हमारे पास टाइम हो चुका है 8:30 और फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे जैस्पर में। ड्रेसिंग और बहुत ही खूबसूरती वाली, तो मैं आपको सब शॉट्स जो है वो लेट्स सी विल गो टुगेदर एंड आई विल शो यू ऑल द सीन्स। It's raining, but weather is incredible. It's amazing weather. We're enjoying.
Please stay when all is left is my sorrow. Please pray when all you feel is you don't know. Please.
Almost nearby the Banff, but there is another lake I have seen.
Is gone if you don't stay. I tell you stay when you see the sky is low. Please pray, I know you.
Beautiful. So I will show you snow on the mountains, but I will recommend that you have to bring some extra clothes. I'm feeling a little bit cold, not too much, but.
Will you return before I drop? I'll freeze the sun to make you stop. I see you leave, I know I'll fall. Will you retrieve my wounded?
We are just going to the downtown of Banff, and you can see the view. It's very beautiful.
Stay, please pray, please stay, please say you will retrieve my wounded soul.
See any car here. It's not allowed to come in this area, but people they just rent cycles. And view over there. Now we are going to Gondola, and it's a kind of chairlift going from the mountains to downstairs. This is where it's going from. It's going on the top in the mountain, but there are so many clouds we are not able to see. I hope the tickets are not expensive. How come you are on Earth?
On Earth?
Yeah, you should be in heaven. Okay, so we want to ask like
we experienced was $84
$84,
and then that's including tax.
$1.
So are you an Alberta resident?
Yes, we are.
So that will be, if I just see an ID for one of you in the party, I can get you a discount for all of you.
Yep.
If you're a Banff local, you get 50% off. But yeah, if you're an Alberta,
In case we got lazy over there, otherwise we will be quick.
well, you should
And you're gonna be very famous.
be famous.
You too. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How much excited? I'm recording. Is it okay? Okay, that's fine.
No, I'm here.
That's
I
great.
am B&B.
Okay,
All
great.
right, so-
View, and we're gonna have. Okay, let's go in. Thank you. That's where.
ऐसे जब हिलता है इतना डर लगता है।
like if you wanna sit. But right now it's raining. Otherwise, that's.
Walk to the very end.
When you will get down from the gondola, you will find a restaurant, this kind of area, and you can also find, downstairs you took photos, and then you can get some photos from here. You can download or you can pay for to get it. So it was an amazing trip to gondola. It's so good. Now we are going down back. So. So gondola trip जो है वो over हो गई. It was a nice tour with the gondola, but I can just give you a little bit view of this all around. It is a beautiful. There's a bus. They are Banff bus. It's actually a very cheap one because this bus is a kind of transit from the Calgary. If you want to come from there, you don't need to spend much gas. You can spend only $10 to get this bus and then you can reach here. Anyway, we are going to Jasper now. It's a black bear. It's a baby, but it's still big.
Whoa, it's really good.
And a bit. It must be a Tangle waterfall or something like that. And this is called Banff Waterfall, and I just stopped by just to see how it looks like, and it's beautiful over there on the top. इतनी खूबसूरती, चलें दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। Look at the view behind me. All mountains. The people just go there for hike, kind of adventures, and that's amazing. But the best thing is, what I want to show you is this one. Look at this. Like right now, I'm thinking that I really missed my 2 years to come here, but this time was perfect to come here anyway. Amazing. If you will see all around, it's covered with the mountains. I will show you from here, and if you see here all around, all over you will see mountains, but between the mountains you will see this lake, which is wonderful, and the water is amazing. You can see this one. Look at the color. I have never seen this. Yeah, definitely in the movies or videos, but honestly not in my real life. That's amazing. That's Alberta. Beautiful. So we were running out of the gas, and we were worried. Finally, we are just middle. It's almost 2.5 hours from here to the Jasper. So we found the gas here. It's a gas station. They said it's SOS, but they charge $2.20 per liter. That's pretty expensive, but the best thing is they are here to help. However, so anyway, we're safe. Now we can go further. Even I can save the gas, we can save ourselves. That's good. Main thing is our mistake. We should notice before. Yesterday we were late, tired. I didn't keep Holy Bible in every room. So if you are with the Bible, this is the best. So we are going to downtown Jasper first, and then we will see what is interesting place over there. Just trying to explore the places here, and we are on the way now. I think this is the Jasper downtown. So there are so many hotels, even gas stations, 7-Eleven, KFC, pizza, like all amenities that you need you can find out here. And it's a little bit crowded. So there is a train station which is called Jasper train station. So I think from Vancouver and Manitoba you can come by train here, or from Edmonton maybe. It comes all around the Rocky Mountains, and it must be interesting. I have never experienced here in Canada. So finally we decided to have some ice cream for kids, and it's here. This one is a street of downtown Jasper, and it's very crowded. There are so many people who just came to visit. Can you smell it? यहाँ पे जैस्पर में एक हमारे पास इंडियन होटल है, जैस्पर करी प्लेस। तो हम डेफिनेटली बफेट पे जाएंगे ताकि देखें कि वहाँ पे क्या है। और इवन okay, so we are in the buffet hotel now, and they're charging $18 something per plate per person. Actually, not per plate, because this is a buffet, so you can get as much you want. You can come and get multiple time. There's a place outside and also inside. I'll just show you. This is all the things inside. The tea, and there's no roast. Definitely we will bring this, the butter chicken. This Thai chicken, aloo butter. Yep. And there's a vegetable chutney. There's a dal. I don't know what is this. This is plain rice. This is curry, yogurt curry. And this one is plain rice. And then pakori if you want. And this one is different kind of like onion chutney. Of course, there is a kitchen. And if you want to have wine, they also have some kind of. There's some services to sit inside, but mostly they're sitting outside. Whenever you come to Jasper, you should definitely come and have buffet here. Everything is amazing, as I showed you every picture for the food, and it's reasonable. The best thing is reasonable. Otherwise you are going to other shop that's expensive, and this is great. So I'm just gonna pay bill, and then we're gonna go for that waterfall. That's beautiful. Horns, I can see. And another one is over there. There are two partners. The one is here, and another moose is over there. These are beautiful. So this is Madison Canyon to Old Fort Point. Have seen waterfall here in Canada. It's in Jasper. Now we are going back to the hotel. Tomorrow we will go to the place. It's beautiful. So we have seen another beautiful lake here. Look at the water. It's like green. But if I will show you another side, it's grey. That's the same place, but different water. चेकआउट कर लिया एम्प्टी। प्रिटी रीजनेबल, कोई 45 मिनट्स की ड्राइव है यहाँ से जैस्पर। दे हैव अ बिग ग्रुप। नहीं करती चलेगा तरफ। So we just stopped somewhere at the point just before the that sky walk because I want to show you something. It's very beautiful view. You from here?
It's really pretty. It's like shiny in a lot of.
This is a beautiful hotel of Lake Louise. A restaurant and shop. Oh, so there is a restaurant too. But the view is there. Oh. That's a beautiful view. Jasper is beautiful, but Lake Louise is really beautiful. You know what? The Lake Louise history, Queen Elizabeth, when they come to visit here, they given the name of their daughter because Queen Elizabeth's daughter's name was Louise. So that's why they give this name Lake Louise in the remembrance of their daughter's name, and it's really beautiful. If you will go here to rent a boat, it's very expensive. It's almost 150 or maybe 200 per hour dollars, and we are not gonna go for that. That's the reason, because it's too expensive. But if you have this kind of boat, you can buy cheaper, like maybe 59 or some of them 100. That will work because you can go there. You don't need to pay anything if it is your own boat, I think. But if you're renting, it's really expensive. I think I should ask them because they are just packing up, and they might have. Look at these guys. They're just packing up, so I can ask them. Hi, excuse me. I'm not recording you. Just wanna ask some question. The boat you was riding here, do you need to pay anything or it's free?
These are ours.
Yeah, I mean for going inside the water, do you need to pay? Like with your own boat, for example?
Yeah, you don't have to pay, but you have to fill out a form.
Okay.
It's on like
On that house,
here,
yeah.
There's a wooden little house with the information of Lake Louise.
Yeah.
Next to it, there's a box.
Okay,
You open the box, and there you have the forms that you have to fill in.
that's all. And that's the personal information, like who you are or how
No,
long.
it's about the boat itself because it's a national park. There are rules where it has to be clean and dry and not come to the lake, so you have to fill in that information.
Great. Okay, thank you so much. It was very helpful. Other than if you want to rent a boat, you have to go there, over there, and you can rent a boat. I don't know, it's maybe expensive around 150 or something like that. But it's a very good idea. Bring your own, just fill the form, and then you are good to go. And there is another spot for hiking here. If you want to go for hike, or if you want to ride a horse, you can rent again. But for hiking, of course, it's free. And if you will see, right over that side, there is a very good hiking spot. So they go all around these mountains on the top, some of them, or some of them they just walk around from this side, all around the mountains. There is a trail, and you can go for hike if you want. But again, you can also rent a horse, because there are horses who just go for some people they cannot do hiking, so that's why they just rent over there. I don't know how much is price, and I'm not gonna go there just because that's very far, and we have family, kids, we cannot make it. So finally we have seen some beautiful views from Lake Louise too. Like the first day we just covered Banff and other places, and then second day there were some lakes and also Jasper waterfalls and something like that. But this is the last day, and today we covered this Lake Louise, which is beautiful, amazing actually. So now everything is done. Now we are going back to home. We're gonna miss this view. It's beautiful. and our video, this one is the last one, and now we are going